Jeremy Forrest arrived at Lewes Crown Court this morning, fully expecting a jail sentence. He abducted a 15-year-old pupil and fled to France, but now he's going nowhere. Yesterday, a jury found him guilty of the abduction. Today, he admitted 5 counts of sexual activity with a child. He insists he still loves the schoolgirl, who can't be named for legal reasons. Today, in front of members of his family, including his mother, he was jailed for 5.5 years. They spoke afterwards of their hopes for answers as to what went wrong.
This is a sorry episode for all concerned, and Jeremy is very sorry for his actions. Despite the verdict and today's sentence, there are many factors in this case which need to be examined and addressed, including the failure to properly act and early warnings.
This photo, seen today for the first time, shows the pair travelling to Dover at the start of their 8-day disappearance last year. He took her on a cross-channel ferry to France. They assumed false names and dyed their hair, but they were tracked down after a Europe-wide search. Sentencing Jeremy Forrest, the judge told him, "Your behaviour in this period has been motivated by self-interest and has hurt and damaged many people. Her family, your family, staff and pupils at the school, and respect for teachers everywhere. It has damaged you too, but that was something you were prepared to risk. You now have to pay that price." As the 5.5-year prison sentence was handed down, Jeremy Forrest showed no reaction. He's been in custody since his arrest last October. And today in court, his lawyer said he's been putting his teaching skills to use in prison. He said he's been working as an education mentor, helping other inmates to read. The schoolgirl in this case had just turned 15 when Forrest started having sex with her. She developed a crush on him when he taught her at this school in Eastbourne. He's now banned from working with children and can never have unsupervised contact with them.
We are pleased that Forrest has today been sentenced for the full extent of his criminality, sparing his victim and her family from having to go through another trial. We hope that with today's sentence and the conclusion of legal proceedings, that Forrest's victim and her family can now move on with their lives.
As Jeremy Forrest was taken away to prison, his lawyer said the teacher who broke the cardinal rule of teaching is disgusted with himself.